Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to log out or remove your Samsung account from your Samsung phone. Removing your Samsung account is pretty simple steps, and here's how to do it. First of all, open your Samsung phone settings app. Once you are in your settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. And here, tap on Manage Accounts. And under Manage Accounts, here you should see your Samsung account. Just tap on Samsung account. Now, to remove your account, you can tap on Remove Account here, or you can go to My Profile, scroll down, here you will see Sign Out option. So if you want to sign out, just tap on Sign Out, and to remove your account, just tap on Remove Account. And removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. So to remove, just tap on Remove Account, and now tap on Sign Out, and now you have to verify it's you. So to get a verification code to your Samsung account Gmail, just tap on Send Email. And now if you created your Samsung account using password, then you have to verify the password. So here's I've received the verification mail, just tapping on Continue. And here we can see my ID successfully verified. Now I'm going back to my Samsung settings page, and here as you can see I've successfully removed or signed out my Samsung account from this Samsung mobile. And now I'm going back to my Samsung settings home screen and tapping on my profile, and as you can see this is sign in page because I've already signed out my Samsung account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.